Object Detection System using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of Object Detection System using MSP430 LunchBox from BSS Madhav. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of Object Detection System using MSP430 LunchBox. So, let's get it started.
Good morning, my name is BSS Madhav and I am a student of ECE Division. My roll number is 2023 PEB 3211 and I have performed a project on gate implementation where using MSP430 I have implemented an open gate or close detection using MSP430. So as you can see here, I have three main components, that is MSP430, an IR sensor, and this is the buzzer, and I have connected each and every component with buzzers and wires, with jumper wires and these wires. So this is my main project. So whenever I detect my hand here, and it will detect if the gate is open or closed using whenever this LED is emitted, LED is open. So as you can see here, I will build it. Okay, so as you can see here, the LED is emitting light, that means the gate is open. And if I again do it, just a second. Yeah, so since there is a delay I have included in the code, there is a delay in which the gate is closed at a particular interval of time, so that there is an interval so that there are no errors in the program. So that is what my project is. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.